a company that specializes in the building block and magic block industry. They have met all types of certifications such as ASTM, EN71, as well as ISO 9001. We're going to visit their location to see how they operate such location as their laboratory and their production facility. So let's go inside and take a look. We're inside a Moyu showroom of the building blocks and magic cubes. We're going to demonstrate some of the products that they have throughout the years to give you a better idea of the quality, the craftsmanship, and the workmanship that they have put into designing these products. They have such things as the speed cube, as well as the snake cube. But featured product today we want to talk about is their RS3M. With Moyu as a certified supplier, which attaches great importance to product safety and aims at bringing out products with superior quality at competitive prices, their products can cover basic cubes, twist cubes, magnetic cubes, snake cubes, and highly quality building blocks to meet customers' experience on different age groups and different uses. Their products are sold well at the domestic market and abroad and have been well received for many years. As previously mentioned, the featured product RS3M 2020 Magnetic Cube is the flagship product. This product is independently designed by Moyu and has achieved a number of technical and appearance patents. In addition to the innovative colors of the cube, it also has some excellent features. For example, it not only has better function, RS3M is also one of the most cost-effective electromagnetic cube products on the market. It is undoubtedly one of Moyu's most sincere products. We're now inside of Moyu's injection molding production area. They have over 40 machines that they utilize to produce their building blocks. And the material that they use to build those building blocks is the ABS material. So they see all types of standards and quality to make sure that the product that they provide is well accepted on the global market. We're now inside of Moyu's assembly area, where you can see that the employees are busy putting together these cubic blocks. But they have so many pieces that add to these blocks, like this piece here, the yellow piece, the green, and the red piece that ends up producing this building block here. This company has a good atmosphere to provide the right type of products to go into the market, whether it's North American market, South American market, as well as European market. They have a working area of 10,000 square meters to assemble all these parts. So you can see the employees are very diligently in doing their work. Now we're inside of Moyu's Design and Research Development Department. Here they come up with the concept and the ideas for the building block and the magic cube. They have staff members of over 40 highly skilled design and technical individuals that combined has over 10 years of experience in this industry. And this is the way the brain of the design and the concept, all the ideas that they come together when they design and produce their products. So you can see that this is a highly skilled area that take the industry very serious.